Good.
Okay, Hunkie, climb. Good boy.
Good. Practice some resistance. Sure he stays there. Good.
Good, Hunkie.
No. Climb.
Good boy.
Good. Good job, Hunkie.
Good boy. Okay, Hunkie, free.
Good. Good. Bring him towards the middle of the room, and then pick one to point to.
Okay, Hunkie, climb. Good boy. Good boy.
He likes to lick that leash. That leash tastes good, Hunkie. Good. Slide back to him. Oh, good boy. Free him up. Good job.
Good boy.
Good.
Okay, Hunkie, climb. Good boy.
No.
Climb. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Good. Free him up.
Hunkie, free. Hunkie, free.
Good. Good.
Good
Now,
boy.
now walk like a couple laps around the room, just using the leash manner technique. What a good boy.
Hunkie.
Good. Good. Change direction again. Let me see you do the technique. Good. Praise him up. Good.
Hunkie.
Good boy. Good.
Hunkie.
Good. That was good. Put him back on a climb.
Put him back on the climb.
Yeah, any one you want.
Climb. Good boy.
Good. There you go. Could release him, give him a goodie.
Okay, free, Hunkie.
Good. Good job, Hunkie. That was very good. You're a smart boy. Oh, yeah, you're a smart boy. Yes, you are. Are you ready to go back to mom? You gonna lick the camera? Go ahead. Good. That was good. I put him back on a climb.
Hunkie.
Good boy.
Climb. Good boy.
There you go. Go back out the end of the leash. No. Come on. So don't forget the little no-no-nos
Okay.
as you're approaching them.
Good boy. Good boy.
Go boy.
Good boy. Okay, free.
Good job. Good. Do another lap. Say go the other way.
Here, Hunkie.
Good boy.
Hunkie.
Good boy. That's a good job, handsome.
Hunkie.
Oh, this is the mommy.
Good.
Good. Back on the platform again.
Hunkie. Climb. Good boy.
Good. There you go. Resistance. Good. Slide back up to him. Good boy. Slide back out. Good. Back to him. Oh, no. Climb. Good boy. That's a good job, Hunkie. Good. Free him up. Lots of praise.
Free, Hunkie.
Good
boy. Good boy.
You're doing a good job. You want any water? You want any water, Hunkie? You want any water? Get water. Oh, not thirsty? Okay. Good. So call his name, go the other way. Good boy.
Hunkie.
Good. Good boy. Good. Back on the platform.
Climb. Good boy.
Good job.
Climb.
Good.
Boy.
Good. So real technical. Just use the word no if he goes to mess out. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good. No.
Climb. No. Climb. Good boy.
Good.
Good boy. No. Climb. Good boy.
Good. Free him up. Good. Good. So little minor technicals is like make sure you're not saying the word no as you're correcting them. Say no on your way to correct them, but not actually during the correction. So he knows that's always a warning. So it'd be no, climb.
Okay.
And if you're so try not to correct on the word no. But otherwise that was good. That was beautiful. Good boy, Hunkie. I could do you guys a couple more, you know.
Let me just grab some treats.
Okay. Do like 2 more climbs.
There we go. Yeah. Climb. Good boy.
Good. Good. Go out. Return to him. Now if he messes up, remember you say the no on the way and then climb as you're leading him back up. Good boy. Good job. Wow, nice resistance.
Free Hunkie. Good boy. Hunkie. Hunkie. Good boy. Hunkie, climb. Good boy.
Good boy. God, free him up. Give him goodie. Good boy. That was a good job, Hunkie. That was a good boy. You're doing so good. You make everybody proud, huh? Do you make everybody proud, huh? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Okay, go back to mommy. Go back to mommy. Good boy. Good job, Hunkie.